Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala ulit sila nagbabalik sa panibagong video. Ako sana maglaro ng The Skin Stapler. Pero wala akong idea sa game na to. And ang pinapakita dito sa intro is detective ba tayo dyan? Detective ba tayo and may kalaban tayong mafia boss, so may hawak siyang skin stapler. Oh, so I guess nagbabalat sila ng mukha. Like, ang tawag doon, like binebenta nila yung isang taong patay and binabalatan, kinukuha yung laman loob. I don't know, wala pa ako idea sa game na to guys, and may chapter siya. So let's see the gutter end. So hindi ko pa siguro nabubuksan, kaya nalarin ko na siya. Ano pa hinihintay natin? So it's the time to play this game. Hello?
Journal log, February 23rd, 1984.
Carrion City. Another night
of rot, simmering under busted streetlights and dark alleyways. The streets are soaked in junkie sweat and bad decisions. Every corner consumed with vermin and vice. Every night, I ask myself the same question. How much farther can we fall? And now, we got some freak carving his way through the
Ito
city.
parang negosyo? Gotham City?
Leaves skin like paper trails. The streets whisper fear and cover-ups. Me, I just whisper.
Ba't parang kaboses si Batman? Like, ano yun?
This city's drowning
Basta kaboses niya yung Batman The Dark
when
Knight.
everything else for sale. Murder was just waiting for its turn.
Also, detective nga tayo para tayong si Batman The Dark Knight. Who am I? The Daily Junk, please report any possible sighting police sketch.
The name's Dick. Detective
The
Dick.
name's Dick.
And I'm here keeping the filth from spilling over and drowning this city in its
Dick!
sin.
Detective Dick.
Waiter, come in. Are you talking to yourself in your cruiser again?
I don't owe you an explanation. What do you want?
He's looking for you. Get down to the station.
Okay.
Fine.
Fine.
Tell him
Tell
I'm
On my way.
on my way.
Okay, tayo si Detective Dick. Tayo ba yun? My name is Detective Dick. So, Etits yung pangalan natin. So, pulis nga tayo. Nagdi-drip pa. Excuse me. Carrion police. Kaya ba yan?
Good old Carrion City PD. Its halls smell of stale coffee
Disappointment.
and disappointment.
Dick.
Let's see what the
Let's see
chief
what the
wants
chief
this
wants
time.
this time. Tayo nga si Dick, tayo si Etits. So, ito ba yung sakyan natin? O, dito tayo labas. So, run, jump. Sprint. Mulan. Talk to Chief. Hello, Chief.
Hello, Luna.
Oh, babae.
I
Si
see
Luna.
they still have you babysitting the front desk.
Ba't parang boses Batman tayo? Mas Dick yung pangalan.
You're late again, Slater. I was starting to think you fell asleep in your cruiser again.
And yet,
Siya yung nakatulog.
we are.
Here we are. Siya yung nakatulog.
Bus don't get to disappear into the night. O'Brien's waiting for you in his office.
Lucky me.
Yeah, well, let me buzz you in. See you around.
Siya. Hugutin niya ba yung baril? Hindi. Kala ko hugutin niya yung baril. May kukunin siyang baril. Ba't parang dugyot naman ng lugar natin? Ay. Area not available in demo. Oh, so demo pa lang to? So, tayo si Dick. We're Dick. Pero boses Batman. Okay. Tayo si Dick. Pero boses Batman. Gets. Ito na, kakausapin ba natin to?
You're still chasing Ghost Slater?
Chasing Ghost Slayer o Ghost Rider?
Someone has to.
Natatawa ko sa pangalan niya, pisit. Dick!
Yeah, just don't expect me to keep up anymore. I've got a foot in the grave.
Okay, Dick.
Could be worse. Most cops in Carrion
Di
City.
ba siya inaasar nung elementary siya? Oy, tite, tits.
Retirement?
Okay, baka
With how
ma-restrict ako.
corrupt this city is? Ugh, I wouldn't be surprised if they kept me on my beat until I kill over in the streets.
A fate we both share, I'm afraid.
It's not too late for you, Dick. But me? Well, I'm getting too old
Dick.
for this shit.
Okay, Dick. Kausapin ba natin to? Babae rin ba to?
Well, look who crawled out
Roxy.
of his trench coat. You miss me, Slater?
Na,
Not even a little.
Shame.
I've
Got a real thing for men who look like they got nothing left to lose.
Then aim lower.
Your loss. Plenty on me at an air station. Speaking of, I saw a strapping young man headed to the chief's office.
Chief's
I'm
office.
sure you'll get your claws into him sooner or later.
Okay.
Hopefully sooner than later. If
You
you talk to him,
put
put
in
in
a
a
good
good word for me, yeah?
I'm not
No.
your wingman.
Get
Help, Roxy.
Roxy. Hindi tayo wingman. Hindi natin siya tutulungan. Ito ba? Okay. Sa office ni boss. Ba't parang kamukha natin si Willem Dafoe?
Well, I'll be damned. Nice of you to finally show up, Slater.
If you wanted punctual,
Sa si Slater.
I've hired a watch.
I mean, Dick. Sa si Dick. Paboys natin si Batman. Pero mukha tayong si Willem Dafoe.
Who's the kid? He looks too clean for this city.
That's Detective Robbie Knox.
Transfer
from Rotwood.
Detective Slater, it's an honor. I've read every
Robbie.
report you ever wrote.
Robbie.
Your work on the full
Full
lunar
lunar
Gooner case.
Mooner
back
Gooner.
in 79.
Yeah. City was
City.
edging on total collapse back then.
And I put
But I
down.
put down that freak
Good.
for good.
You saved the city.
Oh, siya nga si Batman.
Saved?
I just
I just delayed the inevitable.
We've got
Now
new
we've got a new animal stalking these streets.
Which is why you're gonna need help. The stapler's
Staplers.
escalating.
Ano, what
and
kind of
you're not
staplers ba?
chasing
Ano
him
bang ginagawa
along.
ng mga staplers?
Excuse me?
Knox is your new partner.
Noxus?
What?
Could be
You
kidding me.
gotta be kidding me, O'Brien. You know I work alone.
Alone. I can't be wasting
I
time
can't
babysitting.
be wasting time babysitting some new transfer.
Parang kuya ko lang ayaw mag-alaga sa bunso namin.
Oh.
Brian.
Oh.
Uy, si Rengo ko.
If you could give me a minute, gentlemen. Duty calls.
Okay, kumain siya. Lumalangoy sa donut. Sir, tapos ka na ba, sir?
Ah, that's better.
Robbie.
Robbie,
Why don't-
why don't you wait by Slater's cruiser?
I need to
I
talk to
need
him.
to
About.
talk to you.
Roger that, Chief.
Oh, Roger that, Chief.
Listen, Dick. The mayor's so far down my throat about the stapler.
Listen,
that
Dick.
I feel like I'm in a Diesel Cox film.
Film.
You're killing me, O'Brien.
You don't get a vote on this. He's,
He's
your, new partner. Now get out there and catch me a killer.
That's an order.
That's an order.
So, detective nga tayo, mga pulis tayo. Pero ba't parang dugot ng bayan natin? Wala bang tupad dito? Like nagwawalis? So, may katawan tayo. Goodbye. Kasabi ba natin siya? Nope. How about siya? Hindi. So, ito, dito.
Slater! Sir! I mean, Dick! I mean,
Dick!
Detective Slater!
Sir. Ah, hello. Ako si Etits.
Elmer, you hear any chatter about the stapler?
No, sir.
No, sir.
But I was just thinking.
If you need backup,
or
there's
someone
someone
to
to
ride
ride.
along.
Bin
Logging
log.
response times, radio codes, crime patterns.
Patterns. I could
could
really.
help out
Nah,
there.
hindi ko kailangan ng tulong.
Streets will chew you up and spit you out.
You're
a good
good
kid.
kid. But your place is
But your
here.
place is here.
The station.
I just don't want to push
Push
buttons
buttons.
forever.
You don't want to see what
Yeah.
I've seen. Just keep at it, kid. And let me know
If
if
you
you hear
hear
anything
anything.
about the stapler.
Roger that, Mr. Slater. I mean, detective.
Yeah. Okay, di na tayo tinawag na Dick. Di na tayo tinawag na Etits. So, magde-detective na tayo. Ah. Hindi natin pwede buksan yung door. Natutulog na naman siya. I guess punta natin si Robbie. Tara, Robbie. May duty pa tayong gagawin.
Detective Slater.
Rule 1. You don't,
Don't
try
try
and
to impress
me.
me. Ba't parang ang sungit natin? Ba't parang may pagka-Batman vibe tayo? Okay.
Okay.
Rule 2. If things
Things
go bad, you
stay
stay
behind
behind me.
Okay. Like, tatay.
Got it.
Break either rule,
I'll leave you at
leave you at the curb.
Understood.
Masyado tayong strict. Masyado masungit yung karakter natin. Etits na nga yung pangalan. Masungit pa eh. The quick fix. Hot fresh wieners inside. The quick.
Another beautiful night in Carrion City. And I get to spend it stuffing wieners into buns and regretting my life choice.
Sino naman to?
But I don't regret you, baby. My jank wagon deserves nothing
Nothing
but the
but the
best.
best.
Once I have you fully paid off, I can quit this crappy job and leave this city in my dust. I'll be counting the days until then. Better head inside and
So
start.
tayo ba yung masama? Tayo ba yung tayo ba si stapler? Skin stapler. Objective update. Head inside. The quick fix. Parang ang dumi. Like Gotham City. Okay, hindi natin kailangan mag-CR. So, magbebenta tayo. Convenience store? Is this a convenience store? Hello?
Get
I think tayo yung
fix
masama.
with a quick fix. This is Hexy. How can I help you?
How can I help you?
Oh, hey boss. Sorry for being a few minutes late. I got stuck in traffic.
Boss natin si Crazy Dave. Sa Plan B Zombie.
What? Eric didn't bring in the meat delivery? That means it's been sitting out in the rain all day. It's probably rotten by now.
Boss natin si Crazy Dave sa Plan B Zombie nga, guys. A quick fix.
Are you
Anong pangalan?
calling
Anong
me
convenience
a
store yun?
shitter again?
So, I guess tayo na yung masama. Tayo yung stapler.
All right,
If tama ako, I don't know.
I'll grab the meat from the back and make some fresh wieners. Just please.
Objective update, grab the box and the mystery meat from outside. Is the outside? From out back. Ito yung meat. Wala namang meat. From the back. Oh, ito. Meat operate. So, saan tayo kukuha ng karne? Coffee. Entrance. Toilet. Asan yung meat from the from outback. From outback. You mean to mga basura? Nope.
Does this place ever actually fix anything? Ah, jeez. You
scared
scared the
me.
crap out of me, man. What? Fix? I think you missed the joke, dude.
I love you.
love jokes. Especially the ones with the
Killer punchline. Tayo ba yun?
Cool. Great talk.
Yeah, I guess tayo yung killer.
You need something or...
Ba't kamukha niya
My.
si ano, like sino yun?
You have an appetite.
Sa Terrifier. Like si
If you're talking about the hot dogs,
Art.
they aren't ready yet. Come back in 20 minutes.
Okay.
The best meals
Are worth waiting for. Oh man, ang creepy niya. What the heck? Alis na, please. Hindi tayo makagalaw.
Night with another creep.
I hate this city. Ano si Joker? Di ba si Joker? Tapos kampi natin si Batman? Okay, take the box on the meat of grinder. The meat grinder, okay. What? Ba't nakapatong? Ba't nakapatong tayo sa taas? Ang dugit naman. Parang scrap meat. Is that a scrap meat? Scrap meat ba yan? Ba't ganun? Paggawa natin ng hotdog. Ay, mali. So, ilang hotdog ba kailangan gawin natin? Okay. Enough na yun, I think. Box of winner, I guess, dito. How to make a juicy, long, quick fix winner. Add following items to hotdog plate in these steps. Toasted bun, cooked winner, mustard, ketchup, relish, the works, hotdog container. Okay. And uncooked winner. Customer. Hey youngster, let me get a nice long one and make it. Ano daw? I don't have a finish. Okay. So kukuha tayo ng hotdog. Hotdog pala muna. So, lagay natin doon. Winner cooking. And toast the bun. I need toasted hot dog bun. Lalagay rin ba natin yung ano? Okay, relish. Hindi ko alam paano to. Cook winner. I need to toast red bun. Hindi ko gets paano to. Tingnan natin, sunugin nga natin. Luto tayo ulit, sabi. Toasted bun, cooked winner, okay. Paano ko lulutuin yung bun? Ah, okay, gets. Parang pancake. Can we turn this on? No, we can't. Hey, sir. Hello, sir. Wait natin yung hot dogs. Okay, manahimik ka na, please. Ba't may alarm yung Coke winner? Ano ba gusto niya? How about mustard and ketchup? I need the relish. I need to add the works. Here you go, sir. Okay. Eat well. What the heck? What the heck? Ano yun? Anong ginawa niya? Oh my kulay. What the heck? Oh, okay. May bagong customer. Oh, what the heck? Hi. I heard you have the biggest winners around. Let me get one. Wiener or winner? I don't know. Basta hot dogs. Biggest winner. Yeah, meron akong biggest winner dito. And toast the bun, I guess. So get the bun. Toast the bun right here. And everything's good. All goods. Hintayin natin maluto yung dalawa. So, ang tagal maluto naman ng bun. Papainitin lang yan saglit eh. Okay, shut the freak up. Okay na. Okay. Okay, mustard and ketchup pala. My bad. Mustard and ketchup. Ito. Hot dogs. Please lang, ma'am. Please. Wag mong gagawin yung ginawa ni tatay kanina. Please lang. Nakikiusap ako sa'yo. Ika-grab ko to sa'yo. Bibigay ko sa'yo. Wag mong gagawin. Please lang. Kumain ka ng maayos. Okay? Okay. So, bayad ba yun? Kasama ba yun? May fee ba yun? Yung pagsubo nila ng ganun? What the heck? So, I guess need ko ng customer. Make the customer a hot dog. Na, please, na-trauma na ako. Natatrauma ako. I mean, nakaka-trauma yung nangyayari dito sa hotdog. Wait lang, siya yung Joker ah. Siya mo ang Joker. Okay. Tayo tayo. Hi.
Hello again.
Are you
the proprietor of this fine establishment?
Oh, diba?
Oh,
Parang si
crap.
Joker.
You again? Proprietor?
Dude.
I don't know what that means. I just work here. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well,
Wieners nga.
I do love a nice piece of flesh. But
I'm in the mood.
I'm in the mood
For something a little more
unique. Well, if you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
What do you want?
It seems I'm
a little low on supplies. Do
you happen to carry any
staples? Oh, siya yung stapler. Siya yung masama. Siya yung nasa
Why do
intro.
you need staples this late at night? Oh,
You could say I'm working.
working on a little art project.
What the
Whatever,
heck?
man. It's none of my business. I think we have
Yeah.
some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'll be seeing you again real soon. Okay, shut the freak up. Punta siya sa CR. Okay, pumunta na siya ng CR. No, hell no. Nakatingin siya sa akin. Kita ko yung ulo niya. Doon lang siya banda. Dito siya shelves. Nandiyan sa likod ng shelves. Nandun na siya sa likod. Siya na naman! I've been waiting all day to get my hands on Wiener. Okay. Wiener and bread. Lutuin ng bread. Siya ba yung sumubo kanina? I mean, ibang pagsubo ang ginagawa nila. Like, nakaka-trauma. Okay. Put that. And lagay din natin yung hotdog. Okay, shut the freak up. Lagay hotdog. Boom. I mean, mayo and ketchup. Boom, bap. Lagay ito. There you go, madam. Bro, ang weird nila kumain. What the heck? Anong tong game na to? No, nandun pa siya. Nandun pa yung mukhang Joker sa likod ng shelves. So, may another customer. Si Bob Marley. Hey, Bob Marley. Give me a meaty juicy one. Okay, meaty juicy one. What the heck? Okay, I guess hindi natin magluto ng marami. Nope. Hintayin natin yung bread and hotdog na maluto. Pambira. Ano tong game na to? Yan. Lagay yan. Tapos mayonnaise. May wala pa. I need a cook wiener. So, hintayin natin. Ang tagal maluto ng... Ingay. So, mayonnaise and ketchup. Boom. Boom, bap. Kunin to. Lagyan siya. Please lang, Bob Marley, wag kang susubo ng ganun. Please. Please. I'm begging you. I'm begging you. Please. Please don't. Sabing wag eh. What the heck? Ang lala. Grabe. Another customer? Please lang, ayaw na magtrabaho. I need to say there at the register now. Okay. So, bawal tayo pumasok sa loob. What the heck? So, may bagong customer ulit. Hello? Oh. Bumili siya. I mean, bumili lang siya ng products dito sa store. I guess, if tama.
Hey, Hexy.
Oh, hello.
Hey, a shrimp queen.
It's comfort food.
Don't judge
me.
Okay, I won't judge you. I don't mind.
Better than these wieners I'm selling. You don't want to know what's in them.
You should see some of the stuff I've scraped off the floor at Gutter's End.
We are
May
both
body
living
pala
the
eh. May
dream, eh?
gut girl pala tayo dito eh.
One day we'll get out of this dump. Yeah, I gotta
get
get
it
back
back
soon.
soon.
How much I owe ya?
Don't worry about it. This one's on me.
Holy! Airball!
Pathetic tonight.
Shrimp pathetic tonight.
You should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll see you later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
Nah, bro. Girlfriend mo ba yun? Hindi mo, ah. Nililibre? Holy airball. So, yeah. Ano tawag dito? Sapatos. Yung nakalimutan ko yung brand ng sapatos na ginagamit ng mga kaklase ko noon.
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem?
Pambira.
It seems you're all out of staples.
What the
I'm
freak?
getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better leave before I make you. Oh,
That might be fun.
that might be fun.
Bro, ang haba ng kuko niya.
Something I
Hindi siya
like
tao.
very much. What? I can see this
Establishment doesn't employ the brightest. But anyway,
But anyways, I'll be on my way. My
tattooed
tattooed friend.
friend.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix.
Fix, I guess.
Yes,
Or whatever. Excuse me.
By the way, you might want to check out the
Restroom.
restroom.
The toilet is quite...
clogged.
Okay, labas ka muna. Please lang. Need ko siya lumabas muna. Pambirang jumpscare yan.
Great. Now I need to fix the toilet. Just what I needed.
Ay, lumabas naman na siya. And let's check the toilet.
Great. That weirdo clogged the shitter. Just
What?
what I needed.
Binarahan niya yung ano.
The plunger.
So another challenge na naman. Tubol ba yung nilabas niya? Okay. Dambuhalang bugi ata yung nilabas niya eh. What the heck, bro?
This stupid thing isn't working.
Huh?
What the?
Is that the sound?
What is?
What the heck, Kadiri? What? Meron tayong fountain na tayo eh, before GTA 6. Gutters ends. Bowling alley. Gutters end. Bowling. So una tayong biktima niya. Tayo niya yung unang biktima, yung lalaki, si Hoxie. Tapos ito yung babae yung bumili sa atin kanina ng noodles na nilalandi niya.
Break's pretty much over. I better head inside and
Okay, wag ka na dumaldal. Okay, may Nissin cup noodles tayo, shrimp flavor. So, toilet area, toilet room. I don't need to get behind the counter yet. What? Okay, matutulog ba ako sa allowance? Uy!
Oh, look at that. Lucas fell asleep at the register again. Perfect opportunity. Lucas!
Putak, tinagulat din ako.
Jeez, Blair, what the hell?
Ba't parang may apa siya sa ulo?
That's what you
Ang
get
kitang
for
buhok
sleeping
niya.
on company time.
I wasn't sleeping. I was just resting my eyes.
You were literally snoring. I could hear you from the front door.
God, who cares? Anyway, we haven't had a customer in hours. This place is dead.
Dead
I don't know
community.
how it stays in business.
I think the owner's using it to launder money.
Honestly, wouldn't shock
Shock
me.
me? Anyway,
I'm
about
about to clock out.
Cool. let me
That
nuke
means-
this cup of nudies, and then you
Nudies?
go pass out somewhere else.
So, hindi siya cup noodles. Cup nudies. Nudies? Oo nga, no. Cup nudies nga. What the freak? Di ba tayo mag-bowling? No, we can't. So, pwede tayo pumasok dito sa counter. Staff only. Okay, cup noodles. Lagay yan
Come
dyan.
back for this later. I should go tell Lucas he can go.
Bro, ang lala ng lugar. Nakakadiri. Carnival or terror. Lucas? Lucas? Kasi kasama natin. Oh, ito pala. Di kita makita. Mukha ang dugit mo kasi.
All right, Lucas, you can get out of here.
Sweet. Thanks, Blair. There are a few things I didn't get a chance to do.
Oh, what?
Can't
Can't believe I'm getting
believe
roped into doing your jobs. What needs to be done?
Ang cute ng boses ng babae, no? Eh,
We'll call it even.
like, ang galing niya
scaring me.
mag-English fluent.
One
I mean,
of the ball
maganda naman
feeders
yung-
is jammed with a ball.
Never
Can
mind.
you get it loose? After that, there are a few balls that need polishing and some shoes that need to be deodorized.
Okay.
You couldn't even polish the balls? It's like the,
The balls?
easiest thing to do here.
First the nudies and now the balls.
Listen, Blair, the
The
only,
only
balls,
balls.
I'm polishing tonight are mine.
Lucas.
Wow, Lucas. Just wow.
Catch you later.
Catch you later, Blair.
Tarantado ka, may tatlo kang apa sa ulo. So, makuha tayo ng pang-polish. O may bilyaran. Ah. Investigate basset ball feeder. Ito ba? What? Ba't parang kinakatay niya? Tatlong beses. Okay, gumana na. Out of order. Tanggalin natin yung out of order. Uy! Takti, baso! Bowler, ano ba yan? O basuka?
Holy crap. I'm glad I wasn't standing in front of the feeder.
So, ano pa yung i-check natin? Mga out of
I
order?
better head behind the counter and polish those balls.
Okay, polish that balls. Polish those balls. I'm gonna polish those balls. Okay, si Joker na naman, I think. Bro, ang creepy niya.
Hello there. Welcome to Gutter's End.
Well, hello! What a lovely little establishment.
Siya yung pumatay sa
it is.
lumalandi sa atin.
Adorable little creature running it.
Creature?
What do you want?
Do you want to purchase a lane? Or am I
I'm
gonna have to call the police?
I am here to purchase an
Experience.
experience.
Right. Well,
Ay,
it's
nagilaw yung
$5
cam
a
ko.
game per lane.
So direct.
I like that.
I
Sharp,
like
clean,
that.
like a fresh cut.
Sharp, clean, like a
Fresh
fresh
cut.
Thanks.
I think.
I think.
Let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt like
You're wearing a costume you can't take off.
costume you just can't take off?
What does he mean?
You mean like my
Like
work,
uniform?
Sure.
Let's call it
Let's
that.
call it that.
I don't get paid to answer weird questions. Either,
Either
buy a
buy a
lane or get out.
Ah, no need to be a bully, darling.
I'll take
I'll
the lane
take lane
6.
6.
Thank you. So, hindi siya magbabayad. I mean, siguro pagtapos, magbabayad sila. Wala akong alam. Wala akong experience sa bowling. Wala akong alam kung paano yung nag-work. I mean, wala akong experience.
Total creep.
Pero nakating siya sa akin. I need to clean these dirty balls. What the freak? Hold down. Hold down. Please, wala jump scare, please. Eh, doon ba ito nag-work? Hold down. Oh, A. Okay, ang creepy niya. Okay, we got one. Bro, ang creepy niya. What the heck? Jumpscare yan. Pustahan pagtapos natin mapolish tong balls. A. W. D. Jumpscare yan. Pustahan. Anak ka ng tipaklong, oo. Uy! Oh! What the heck? Okay. Ready ko na sarili ko. Ready ko na sarili ko, guys. S. D.
All right, time to clean the stinky shoes.
Okay. So, nawala na siya doon. Oh my gulay. How can I clean the stinky shoes? Deodorize. Sometimes I love this.
I just love these smelly shoes.
Okay, let's do our job. You only have one job. Pero pwede pag-isay mo na lang sa, pagtabihin na lang. Like, pagtabihin mo na lang, oh. Uy. Kailangan okay, kailangan din lapit. All goods. Uy. May iba pa bang shoes? Oh.
That should do it.
Oh my gulay. Then, return to register.
Where did that weirdo go? He didn't
Nasa harapan
do
natin siya kanina eh. He didn't even do.
Whatever. Now that he's gone, I can go grab my cup of noodies real fast.
Okay, hindi siya cup noodles, cup noodies. Hello? Andyan lang siya sa paligid. Andyan lang siya. Andyan lang siya banda. So wala. I think lumabas na siya. Pero kanina nakasiksik siya dito eh. Or nandito siya. Out of order. O nandito siya sa staff room. Sa locker. Hello? Oh my god, nakakatakot. Okay,
I'll
go.
eat this back at the register.
Go grab your cup noodies. Shrimp flavor. Nilabas na tayo. Sabi na eh. So tayo yung lalaki o yung babae? O tayo yung babae?
What happened?
Uy! What? Mr. Shrimp? Okay. Ba't parang mukha siyang gummy na... yung candy na dila.
Mr.
Shrimp, you're supposed to be in my belly.
Supposed to be in my belly. We don't have time for this, Blair. He'll be back any second.
Okay!
What are you talking
about,
Mr.
Shrimp? I can see him. You gotta get up. Who?
What a silly
The dream. I can't even feel my body.
Feel my body. You're doomed, Blair. You hear me? Doomed.
Okay, Doom.
Who are you talking to?
Mr. Shrimp, call 911.
Siya ba yun yung nakamaskara? It's here. Suffering side effects.
Suffering the side effects from my little serum. Hallucinations and
Paralysis, among other things.
That's why I can't move.
Yes,
Wawang Claire.
you don't have to
I mean Blair?
longer, my dear.
Do you mean?
I require that beautiful skin of yours, my dear. I can't have you screaming and crying while I shrill it from your body.
I'm afraid.
I am afraid it's the end of the line for you.
Please, don't.
Barilin tayo? Babarilin. Binaril nga tayo. Huh? Hot dogs. Ayan ba tayo? Tayo ba si Blair? Binalatan tayo? O kaya skin stapler, like nangunguha siya ng balat. Okay, si Blair nga siya. Confirm. Ayun yung balat niya, oh. What the heck? So, skin stapler nga. Like, nini-stapler niya sa pader yung skin. Okay, gets? Wawang Blair. Kawawa si Blair. So, doon na natapos yung game. Kasi ito yung mukha niya. Nakamaskara lang ba siya? Like, ginagamit yung mukha ng ibang, ng biktima niya. End of demo. Thanks for playing. Please wishlist the full release. So, ito yung peke niya mukha. And ito yung tunay niyang mukha. Ba't mukha siya si Joker? Like, ginagamit niya siguro yung balat ng biktima niya. And yeah, parang ginagawa niya maskara. And ito yun, yung tayo, yung bida. Ito si Dick. Si Etits. Tapos si Robbie. Yeah, ito si Etits, si Dick, and si Robbie. Oh my kulay. Tainted Pack Games. Chapters. Current PCTPD, Quick Fix, Gather End. So, tatlo. So, tatlo pa lang yung chapters. I think matatagdagan naman siguro siya. So, yun nga. Tayo yung detective na dalawa. Like, hindi pa siya yung full game na release. Hindi pa siya na-release yung full game niya. I think this is a demo. Well, maganda siya, guys. Maganda tong game na to. Ang ganda. Tayo tayong detective. And may POV tayo ng iba't ibang character na pinatay na tong skin stapler. Like, parang Gotham City lang eh. Kaboses niya kasi si Batman. And yeah, parang Gotham siya and may Joker na kalaban. Like, I guess itong maskara na to is hindi sa kanya, kundi sa taong biktima niya na pinapatay niya. And ini-stapler guy nito. And dalawa tayo siguro na nakuhuli sa kanya. Dalawang detective yung huli sa kanya. And hintayin na lang natin yung full game. So yeah, I hope nag-enjoy guys sa panibagong video. Huwag kalimutan mag-like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye.